Join me as I put the BYD ATTO 3 to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype of being the best electric car out there. The BYD ATTO 3 has been making waves in the electric vehicle market, and for good reason. With its sleek design and impressive specs, it's been touted as a top contender for those looking to make the switch to an electric car. But can it really live up to the hype? In this review, we'll be putting the BYD ATTO 3 through its paces to see if it's truly the best electric car out there. When it comes to choosing an electric car, there are a few key challenges that consumers often face. One of the biggest hurdles is range anxiety. Will I be able to make it to my destination without running out of juice? It's a valid concern, especially for those who do a lot of long-distance driving. Another challenge is pricing. Electric cars can be expensive, and it's hard to know if the extra cost is worth it. Range anxiety is a big deal, and it's something that can be really tough to overcome. I've spoken to plenty of people who are interested in switching to an electric car, but they're held back by the fear of running out of power on the side of the road. It's a fear that's not entirely unfounded. After all, we've all been there, stuck on the side of the road with a dead battery. But with the BYD ATTO 3, BYD is looking to change that. Another challenge that consumers face is the lack of standardization when it comes to charging. Different manufacturers have different charging systems, and it can be confusing to navigate. And then there's the issue of pricing. Electric cars are often more expensive than their gas-guzzling counterparts, and it can be hard to justify the extra cost. But despite these challenges, electric cars are becoming increasingly popular. And with good reason, they're environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and a lot of fun to drive. So what sets the BYD ATTO 3 apart from its competitors? Let's start with the design. The ATTO 3 has a sleek, futuristic look that's sure to turn heads. With its angular lines and futuristic headlights, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. But it's not just about looks. The ATTO 3 also boasts some impressive tech specs. With a range of up to 320 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for those who do a lot of long-distance driving. And with its advanced infotainment system, you'll be connected and comfortable on even the longest of road trips. One of the standout features of the ATTO 3 is its innovative battery technology. BYD has developed a new type of battery that's not only more efficient, but also more sustainable. And with its advanced thermal management system, you can charge your car quickly and safely. But it's not just about the tech. The ATTO 3 is also a lot of fun to drive. With its instant torque and smooth acceleration, you'll feel like you're gliding over the road. In terms of sustainability, the ATTO 3 is a game changer. With its low carbon footprint and eco-friendly production process, you can feel good about driving an electric car. And with BYD's commitment to sustainability, you can trust that you're supporting a company that cares about the environment. But what really sets the ATTO 3 apart from its competitors is its unique design elements. With its futuristic looks and advanced tech specs, it's a car that's truly ahead of its time. And with its commitment to sustainability, it's a car that you can feel good about driving. So, is the BYD ATTO 3 the best electric car yet? In my opinion, it's definitely up there. With its impressive range, advanced tech specs, and commitment to sustainability, it's a car that truly has it all. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think the BYD ATTO 3 is the best electric car out there? And if you're new here, be sure to check out some of our other videos on electric vehicles and car reviews.